Nature hide and seek, woods and forests. Can you see the woodcock at rest? In picture 1, he is so well hidden among the fallen leaves that it is almost impossible to see him. Picture 2 and 3 show him leaving his hiding place and about to fly away onto the opposite page. Test your powers of observation. See how many creatures you can find in each large picture. Then check your results with the answers at the top of the page. You'll find a lot of surprises. Try this game too. Open the book at any large illustration. Get your friends to see how many creatures they can spot. You can bet they won't find even some of the most obvious ones. New England Woodland. 2 bobcats, 6 woodchucks, 9 eastern chipmunks, 5 opossums, 4 red-tailed hawks, 4 northern copperheads, 3 wood frogs, 8 five-lined skinks, 3 eastern box turtles, 9 katydids, total 53 creatures. Opossum. A mother opossum can carry up to 14 babies in her pouch. Adult opossums climb trees using their tails to grip. Bobcat. Although only twice the size of a cat, the bobcat will attack deer and porcupines. It can get close to its prey because it is so well camouflaged. Eastern chipmunk. These striped ground squirrels collect food in huge bulging cheek pouches. Their underground burrow has a bedroom, storeroom, living area, and 2 entrances. Eastern box turtle. The bottom part of this turtle's shell is hinged. It can close the front and back ends together like a box when frightened. Katydid. The katydid is a bright green grasshopper with ears on the joints of its front legs. Its wings make the sound katydid. She did. 5-lined skink. Despite its short legs, this lizard can move very fast. The mother looks after her eggs until they hatch. Only the young have bright blue tails. Red-tailed hawk. Year after year, this large hawk returns to the same nest to breed. It plays an important part in controlling rodent numbers. Wood frog. This frog's colors vary from pink to yellow to brown, but it always has a dark brown stripe by its eyes. Its call is like the quack of a duck. Woodchuck. The woodchuck is very inquisitive. When frightened, it whistles and grinds its teeth together. It is very brave and will defend itself fiercely. It hibernates during the coldest weather. Northern copperhead. Copperheads are poisonous and will strike when provoked. They hibernate together in dens through the winter.